Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Lehman from Math with Mrs. Lehman. Welcome to the 2019-2020 school year. I've got a great group of kids and we're going to do a lot of math this year, but tonight you have homework. So this is simplifying ratios, and we've been working with ratios for a few days now, and we talked about scaling up or down, and in the directions it says you can simplify or scale down a ratio when the numbers are large. A simplified ratio is when you write an equivalent ratio but with the smallest possible whole numbers. So one thing I'm going to recommend to you as you work on this is that you put this in fraction form, because you guys already have a lot of familiarity with simplifying fractions. So the first thing, put it in fraction form. Then another hint I'm going to give you, in all these three examples at the top, they have given you even numbers to work with. And something we know about even numbers is that they have a factor of 2. So that means they're all divisible by 2. So I would start there. I would work my way scaling down by taking 48 divided by 2. You're going to get 24. And then 20 divided by 2 is 10. Right? And obviously you can keep going. So that's one hint. On number 2, again, keep going. 240 to 780. This is in fraction form now. If you see a 0 at the end of each number, if you just cut that 0 off, you've divided both the top and bottom by 10. Okay, so that's an easy way to simplify. So now you're working with 24 to 78, which are both even numbers. So again, I would recommend dividing by 2 until you can no longer do that and get a whole number. Make sure you're going to lowest terms. All right, these other questions at the bottom of the page, require some multiple steps. If I can scroll down there, maybe. It says a landscaper plants 212 total bushes in one working day. He plants 128 rose bushes and 48 rhododendron bushes. What is the ratio of rose bushes planted to rhododendron bushes? Well, you may not know what a rhododendron is, but it doesn't matter. It could say thingamabobs, who's its and what's its. It does not matter. They've given you that ratio, but you're going to need to simplify that. Same with number 5. You've got some info there, and there may be some problem solving that goes with it. It says a student earns 75 points for every, oh, I've got to push the button, quest completed in a video game. He completes 6 quests, I think that says 6, I hope it says 6, and earns an additional 250 points. Bonus points. What is the ratio of quest points to bonus points? So first of all, you've got to figure out how many total quest points he got, because it's 75 for every quest and he's done 6, or she. Question number 6, a family buys 3 packages of 8 pencils. You need to figure out how many pencils that is. 4 packages of 10 pens, figure out how many total pens that is. And then it wants you to find out what's the ratio of pencils to total amount of items or writing utensils here. So a few steps to get there, and then you need to simplify. Okay, so hopefully you're having a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.